Advantage number 4. You can own a 4-bedroom house through flexible Pag-ibig financing in Cauayan City during early stage of project development. One of the smartest ways to own a 4-bedroom house is through Pag-ibig financing, which provides affordable payment options and financial flexibility for Filipino families. Financing benefits: up to 30 years to pay, no pre-termination fee for full loan settlement, advance to principal payment allowed anytime, reduce interest expenses through additional payments, shorten loan terms without increasing monthly obligations, ideal for borrowers receiving bonuses, business income, incentives, or agricultural harvest proceeds. Financial flexibility advantage: Pag-ibig financing empowers buyers to own a spacious 4-bedroom house while maintaining control over their finances and enjoying opportunities to save on interest costs. For more details, call or text us today.